So let us discuss Amazon RDS. RDS stands for Relational Database Service. So basically it is a cloud based relational database service which make us to create, which helps us in creating database, operate and scale the relational database in cloud. It provides the cost effective way to create and resizable capacity. Also it provides the hardware patching, database setup and backups. RDS consists of different database engines like Aurora, PostgreSQL, MySQL, MariaDB, Oracle and SQL Server. So what are the benefits of it? Easy to administer, highly scalable, durable and highly available, fast, secure and inexpensive. So how to get this service? So first of all, sign into AWS Management Console, click on all services, then go to database service, and under database service we are having RDS. So once you click on RDS, it will redirect to the dashboard of relational database service. So in the left hand side you can see the databases, query editor, opens, insights, snapshots, backup, instances, so like that many features are there. So when we click on databases, it redirects to the information page of the database. So here we can create a database by providing database instance name and the engine. So what type of database you want to create, standard or easy, then choose the different database engine. So the database can be created by using either Amazon Aurora, MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server. So after that, if we want to make it serverless, we can click serverless. Then Aurora, if it is Aurora, so what version of Aurora? Then dev test or production. So dev test means free tier eligibility, then database instance name, then user ID and password. After that, so try to take T2 micro database micro, because large have high cost. To reduce the cost, we can use the micro database instance. Then VPC setting, publicly accessible, if yes, then it is accessible by public. Then authentication, password authentication or IAM, then click create database. So after setting all the parameters, we can able to create the database with a specified database engine, either Aurora or PostgreSQL or MySQL or MariaDB or Oracle or Microsoft SQL Server.